Meaning of hereby.
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 Hereby. Hereby is an adverb that means, by means of this or as a result of this statement. When used in a sentence, it indicates that the speaker is making a declaration or giving a formal statement. For example, I hereby declare this meeting open means that the speaker is formally opening the meeting. Or, by signing this document, I hereby agree to the terms and conditions means that the signer is agreeing to the terms stated in the document. Essentially, hereby is used to provide a formal and official tone to a statement or declaration.